Number 1. Located in Grand Rapids, Michigan, this 1967 Ford Thunderbird coupe is listed for $2,900. With 90,000 miles on the odometer, this red Thunderbird has been sitting since 2011 and we will need some work to get it road ready again. While it was running and driving when parked, the car now requires attention, particularly to the paint, which shows signs of Bondo and the missing taillight. Described as mostly complete, this Thunderbird could be a relatively straightforward restoration project for the right buyer. However, it comes without a title, so interested buyers should be aware of that before making an offer. Number 2. Located in Tarboro, North Carolina, this 1977 Chevrolet El Camino Chrome is listed for $4,500. With 113,031 miles, this blue classic is well maintained and has no reported issues. The seller emphasizes that it runs and drives excellently, with the interior in great condition, making it a turnkey vehicle for its next owner. However, the seller is eager to move the car as it has been sitting unused and is open to offers at $7,500. For those looking for a reliable, ready-to-drive El Camino, this vehicle presents a great opportunity. Number 3. Located in Brooks, Kentucky, this 1964 Dodge Dart two-door is listed for $4,900. With 66,000 miles on the odometer, it's powered by a 6-cylinder engine and a push-button automatic transmission, making it a classic example of mid-century Dodge engineering. The car features a solid body with most of the interior and exterior glass intact, though the driver's side window needs replacement. While the paint isn't flawless, it still shines, and all the lights are fully functional. It's a potential daily driver, but would benefit from a carburetor rebuild or replacement, making it a great option for enthusiasts looking for a vintage project. Number 4. Located in Toledo, Ohio, this 1964 Buick Wildcat is available for $2,500, either as a whole vehicle or for parts. The car no longer has an engine or transmission, making it an ideal candidate for restoration or as a parts donor for another project. The seller is offering various parts, such as the hood, doors, and bumpers, providing flexibility for buyers looking to restore their own classic Buick. Whether you're looking to take on a full restoration or simply need parts for your own project, this Wildcat presents a valuable opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Number 5. Located in Freeport, Illinois, this 1963 Ford Fairlane is priced at $3,200. Powered by a 200 cubic inch straight-six engine paired with a 2-speed automatic transmission, this classic car has 96,000 miles on the odometer. It's described as a fully operational cruiser featuring air suspension and a solid frame with minimal rust. The car has been updated with a newer 2013 Ford Fusion interior, including new carpet and a Bluetooth stereo, offering modern comfort in a vintage package. The seller is open to trades for a sport bike or reasonable offers, making it a versatile opportunity for buyers. Number 6. Located in Rogers, Arkansas, this 1964 Pontiac Grand Prix is listed for $3,750 and is described as a restoration project. The car starts, runs, and can be driven around in a field, but will need further work to get it fully road ready. Some previous bodywork has been done, and the car comes with good tires, new brakes, and extra parts stored in the trunk. While there are a few rust spots in the trunk and on the floor, the overall condition suggests it could be a solid project for a classic car enthusiast. A great opportunity for someone looking to revive a vintage Grand Prix. Number 7. Located in Keller, Texas, this 1967 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D is listed for $15,000. Featuring a gold exterior and powered by a 6.5-liter 400 big block engine, this GTO is completely original and comes with an automatic floor shifter. As a true Texas model, it shows minimal rust and it's factory equipped with air conditioning. While it requires restoration, the seller highlights that all the necessary parts are included to complete the project. This classic muscle car comes with a clean Texas title, and the seller is open to considering offers, making it an exciting opportunity for GTO enthusiasts looking to restore a piece of American automotive history. Number 8. Located in Lynn, Kansas, this 1963 GMC C1000 is priced at $3,800. This red truck is in fair condition and retains its original 305 V6 engine paired with a manual transmission. While the engine turns over, it does not currently fire, presenting a challenge for potential buyers. The truck is unmodified and remains in its original state, making it a great candidate for restoration. It comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for its next owner. This classic GMC is an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to dive into a restoration project and bring a piece of automotive history back to life. Number 9. Located in Sparks, Nevada, this 1984 Chevrolet Classic Super Sport El Camino SS is listed for $5,500. Powered by a 350 small block engine, this El Camino SS is in decent condition but currently needs some attention as the starter has recently failed. Despite this minor setback, the vehicle ran well prior to the issue, and it boasts a solid performance history. The body shows some imperfections, but the alternator and battery have been recently replaced. The seller is open to offers, making this a potential bargain for anyone looking to restore a classic El Camino and enjoy its unique blend of utility and muscle car appeal. Number 10. Located in Dallas, Oregon, this 1971 Ford Torino 500 hardtop is available for $5,000. Having been off the road since 1992, this classic features a 302 two-barrel engine paired with an automatic transmission. While the engine turns over, it currently does not run and the brakes will need rebuilding. The car exhibits some minor rust, but remains mostly original and complete, making it an excellent candidate for restoration. The seller has a clean Oregon title, providing peace of mind for potential buyers. This Torino offers a great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts looking to bring a vintage American muscle car back to life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Classic Car Quest for more exciting classic car reviews. See you in the next video.